Here we go. Harry and Tash.
This colour palette is spot on trend.
Sarah and George.
There's a lot to love in here, but we walked in the door straight into a corner.
Yep.
Daniel and Jade.
It's absolutely beautifully Art Deco.
Nice one.
Luke and Jasmine.
This is quite a good interpretation of how a market would perceive a house of this era.
Thanks, Darren.
And Jimmy and Tam.
I love this so much. Tick, 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 tick.
Okay. The winner of week 1 on the block 2020 and taking home $10,000 from Ford and, of course, the Gag in Our Kitchen upgrade is by half a point.
Oh, my God.
It's Jimmy and Tam.
Yes!
So good. Thank you, Gaggenau. Oh, yes.
Harry has learnt the hard way that good tilers are hard to find.
If I can't lock in a tiler by this afternoon, then I'll be in trouble. Trying to find a tiler.
I think he called every tiler in Melbourne.
What happened to Tyler? Gone.
He didn't, and he's not answering his phone.
It's now Wednesday and he's still searching.
Oh, I need someone. Oh, can you help us out? I was getting quite frustrated. I need you. I need you. I need you. Desperately. No toilet, no bathroom. Yeah, can you look? I need you. I'm fully on board with this because I don't want to this one up.
Mohammed, I'm the Tyler.
Mohammed, mate, thanks for coming.
Tilers are a very hard trade to find, so we feel pretty lucky that we've managed to secure someone so last minute.
So it's going to be tank or waterproof tonight.
Yep.
Ready for you tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning, yeah. Mate, you're killing me. He's killing me.
But there's a problem.
Waiting for the Tyler. Has he shown up yet?
The phone kept going, every time I rang him, it kept going message bank.
What's your Tyler doing wrong?
He's not even, I've rung him, he's not in answering. He said he came in, he's been inducted.
Yep.
I thought I'd be here in the morning.
He hasn't shown up?
No,
And not answering his phone?
no, it's just straight to message bank, which is with no message.
Annoying.
This tiling drama's gone on from Monday right to now. Frustrating. And today's Thursday. Yeah. Can't get hold of him.
Don't know where old Mohammed is.
We're in a
bit of a spot at the moment.
We're waiting for Mohammed to arrive and start the tiling, and no Mohammed.
Oh, that's ringing. No, it's not.
I rang him multiple times. Still nothing. I was getting frustrated.
We don't have a Tyler, but we have grapes.
I'm good. I've got a title now, so I have to.
Oh, yay!
He's coming. He's going to come up. He's going to put his job on hold and he's going to come. So let's
What a
just go in.
legend.
Yeah, thanks, guys. Oh, beautiful. After a long time and not being able to contact Mohammed, I decided to contact High Pages and get another tiler to do the work that I could rely on. That's when I contacted Sam. Very nice. So we'll get a lot done. Anyway, I got to do this.
I got a phone call from my dad, and as soon as I seen his number on my phone, I knew.
Wait, come over here for a minute.
Pretty tough call to take.
I got a call. Grandpa died today. So, at 1 o'clock I got a call. It's all good. We knew it was coming. It's all good.
I wanted to leave as soon as possible to go and see more so the family that was still at home looking after our kids and spend some family time with my mum and dad and Jade's mum and dad. It was important for us to get back.
Really sorry about what's happened. It's
Thank you.
very
Thanks,
sad. I understand that the funeral's on Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday
Okay,
morning.
So I can organise Keith and Dan to manage your trades and even, if need be, get on a paintbrush and paint for you.
Thanks, mate. Much appreciated.
No, no worries. No, it's all right.
Thanks, Scotty.
That's all right.
Thanks.
We'll get it painted. You get your trades organised,
Thanks,
and
mate.
it'll be, I'll guarantee you, 100% it'll be finished Sunday morning to your standards.
No, thanks, mate. Much appreciated.
Come Wednesday night, we got 55 mil of rain in the space of about 5 hours. Just a disaster,
It was a
absolute disaster.
The houses in both 3 and 5 don't have tarps, leaving them completely exposed to the elements.
Rain's just been a pain in the ass.
All my flashings are leaking over 2 metres of my skylights.
We've got water coming down our internal wall onto the fresh waterproofing of the bathroom that we have to deliver in 2 days' time. Look, there's every chance now that we're not going to be able to deliver a room if this rain keeps going.
It's Foreman Keith's job to assess the damage and get house 3 and 5 back on track.
Well, Jimmy, as you can see, this ceiling is where the majority of the water is, where that hole's been cut out for the duct. Water's running through there. So I think the plaster itself will be okay.
Yep.
It's more the insulation above the plaster.
Yep.
So I apologise about this, mate. It is our fault.
Yep.
We don't want to stop you from working, and we will take ownership of this problem and we'll fix all the other stuff up.
Awesome, thanks, Keith.
No worries. Sorry, mate.
Keith came in and he apologised because he knew that I'd been asking for a tarp, so he knew exactly the how I was feeling.
Yep.
And
Which
he
was
also
really nice to hear.
ripped them a new one, which was good.
He did.
While Jimmy and Tam's waterproofing is still intact, the South Australian husband and wife team weren't so lucky.
That's just peeling up.
No, and I apologise, guys. It's our fault. We've done our best, but it hasn't been good enough. And hopefully it doesn't happen again.
Cool. Thanks,
That's
Keith.
right, guys, mate. We know that.
Cheers, guys.
Thanks, mate.
Ta.
As soon as Keith had a good look at it, he was like, nah, pull it out and redo it. So we made the decision straight away. We got in, ripped it out, let it dry out completely, because the more time we had it open, the better it's going to dry. Doesn't matter. Pull it out, we'll get it done. As soon as it happens, you can't do anything about it. There's no point in mulling on it. The quicker you get it out of your sight, out of mind, simple as that.
Now, some more news.
Oh, okay.
I'm here to tell you that every point that you score from the judges over this series is absolutely crucial. And that's because whoever scores the most points throughout this series of the block will be given a superpower. The power to decide the all-important auction order.
Oh my God.
You know the significance of this, don't you?
Oh.
Wow. Superpower.
That's big.
That's huge. That's scary.
Yep.
And not just where you go in the auction order, where everybody goes in the auction order. Oh my God. What about that?
Yeah, straight away I went, holy It gives you a new meaning to stay friendly with your neighbour and keep your enemy closer. So I naturally thought straight away, my house is going to be auctioned off on a Saturday, everyone else is going to be auctioned off on Tuesdays. That's how I thought of it straight away.
As soon as I heard it, I just had goosebumps all over my body.
So each week, the points that you get from your room accumulate. So the person at the end who has the most points gets to choose the auction order.
All right, see you later. Get out of here.
Thanks, Scotty.